If you're new to Hubs, you would probably want to go ahead and start the tutorial so that you can learn the basics of navigation and working with objects. But in this case, I'm not going to cover any of that. I'm just going to go straight through building this scene. And so let's start a new project. Let's start a new project and then a new empty project. That starts us off right here where we've got this crater. We're not going to use it. I'm not going to use the crater in this video for this scene. So I'll just delete it. The first thing I'm going to do is save the scene. So I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it Almighty Auto Spy. Save. All right. First things first. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is upload all of my assets. So let's start with this video. Okay, so now that all of the assets that we're going to use are uploaded, the first thing I'm going to start with is the building structure. And so just pop this up. And so here we go. So I'll zero it out. So now it's zeroed out. So I want to use a 360 image for the background. And so I've got this. Oh, that's the preview. Let me get the actual real image. Here we go. So I bought this 360 image off of Adobe stock. And what we're going to want to do is, I'm going to name this 360 PG image. That way we can recognize it. And I'm going to give it a scale of 100. And I'm going to remove the controls on it. And the projection is going to be 360 rectangular. And so that puts that just like that. And so now, because I'm going to sit the truck out here, and you see how that ground is down there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually make my own ground. And then another thing to pay attention to is that if we allow people to come outside, which I'm going to allow, if we allow people to come outside, the sides of the building don't have a wall. So normally in this type of 3D modeling, the wall only faces the side that the user is going to be in. And so in this particular building, the walls were not made to have an outside. So I'm going to actually make a wall right there. So we're going to make a ground and we're going to make a wall. Now you'll notice that adding this image, since it's a transparent PNG, it starts out with a white background. So we have to adjust the transparency mode to blend. So when it's in blend, it literally is transparent now. Okay, so now we're going to create a room with this scene. And so we could either click this view your scene, but I want to show you a different way. So we'll just go to hubs.mozilla, and then we're going to create a room. And so here under the options, we can change the scene, go to My Scenes, and here is the scene that we're working on now. So we select that, and you'll notice how it automatically changes the scene of the room. And then I'm also going to change the name. Okay, and let's take a look at it. So I'll put that room down here as a favorite room. That way I can easily get back to it, and let's continue working on this. So the next thing I'm going to do is add the truck. So I'm going to put the truck right here. And I think I want to do it as a I'm just going to do it as a model.